Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 29. Right in front of me are the sea lions at Pier 39, one of San Francisco's most surprising and beloved attractions. These animals first hauled themselves onto the floating docks here in the early 1990s, not long after the Loma Prieta earthquake of 1989. At first, only a few showed up, but within months, their numbers grew into the hundreds, and they've been a fixture of the waterfront ever since. What you're seeing now are Californian sea lions, a species native to the Pacific coast from Mexico up to British Columbia. Adult males can weigh over 300 kilos and stretch to more than 2 meters in length, while females are smaller but just as agile in the water. They're highly social animals, which explains the constant barking, shoving, and jostling you see on the docks. Much of it is about dominance, males competing for space and showing off their strength, but it's also about communication within the group. The reason they settled here comes down to food and safety. The bay provides a steady supply of fish like anchovies and herring, and the floating docks offer a resting spot free from predators and boat traffic. Instead of competing with the marina's boaters, the harbour master decided to dedicate the docks entirely to the sea lions, turning what could have been a nuisance into one of the city's best-loved spectacles. The population here changes with the seasons. In winter, the numbers can swell into the hundreds, as sea lions migrate north after breeding season in South California. In summer, many head back down south, leaving just a small group behind. This constant movement keeps the scenery alive, with new animals arriving and others departing throughout the year. For visitors, the sea lions are more than just wildlife. They've become part of the character of San Francisco's waterfront. Their playful splashing, noisy barking, and sheer size make them a must-see. Standing here, watching them lounge in the sun and tumble into the water, you're reminded that even in the middle of a busy city, nature can claim a space of its own.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.